Hello friends, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So friends, today we are going to do soldering. As you can see, I have a board and the soldering has come off, so I'm going to resolder it. So let's see how to do this soldering process. So what all we need for that first? So we need a soldering iron, as you can see here. Okay, this is the most important part, and we need a soldering wire. Okay, so first what we need to do for soldering is we have to heat the iron for about a minute. So I'm just airing a sound of precaution for people who are young, that please be very careful with the soldering iron, because uh, it it is it it the surface can go up to really high temperatures, and if you while it is on touch this part while it is on, you can get really burnt up. So just just be cautious about it. So I'll just put it here sometime and just wait for it to get heated. So the next thing is we need this wire, so which will act as a filler. So friends, I think the iron rod has heated up pretty nicely. So first thing what we have to do is we have to make a layer over the wire. Okay, and we'll also make a similar layer on the top from where it has broken, and then we'll join it, and then again we'll fill the material. So let's start it. So it's heated up now nicely. So I'm going to touch the tip of the solder wire, something like this, and you can see that the wire gets melted. Now I'm going to make a layer on this. Be careful friends, that doesn't fall. So I'm going to make a nice layer over this. Okay, you can see. So also be careful friends that it the thing that is emitted, that doesn't go into your nose. So yeah, so it's really hot, and I'm also going to put this, make a small coating on where it will be applied. So I'm just going to make a layer over here, use the wire. Okay, now I'm just going to touch them. Okay, just keep it touched in, and it will yeah. Yes, so just keep it like this for some time. So I'm going to switch this off. It is really hot now, so please. So I'm going to keep this back in its place. I'm going to switch off the supply. So, and I'll wait for some time till it gets a little cooled, and so friends, the soldering is done, and as you can see here, it's now completely fixed. It's not going to come off, right? It's tightly done. So that's how you do soldering. Again, as I said, there have to be some precautions taken, so be careful while you are doing this. And also there is, you can also use flux with the soldering wire, which gives you a better stronger solder, so you can use that as well. So thank you guys, I hope you liked my short video on soldering, on how to do soldering. And if you do like, please share, subscribe and comment, and surely there will be more videos in future, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.